Okay, we did it.
Okay, we're done. Okay, so hopefully.
I'm not gonna look at it.
Oh no. Okay, this challenge. First of all, you have to blow up a balloon and then tie it off like this one. And you can't use the air that's flowing out of the balloon. So this game is called moving things with air. So you got to use the balloon to wave, and you cannot touch the cups with the balloon. So you're going to wave, and you're going to try to get those cups to all fall off from there without touching them with your balloon. You can go this way, but you cannot touch the balloons, or you can go this way, whatever, and you're going to try to get them to move. And you're going to time yourself doing it, see how long it takes you to get all of those cups to fall off. Look, they're even coming back towards me instead of going away from me. So, another challenge, just in case, you gotta see how long it takes you to get all of them to go off from the table. Once you've gotten them all to go off the table, okay, then you're going to take a fan, a piece of paper. You're gonna fold that piece of paper like a fan. You fold it up like an accordion, fold it at the bottom. Set the cups back up all the way across, okay? Once you get them set up all the way across, you're going to try to use the fan and see